Hey guys, Royal here, showing some demonstration today about the Weiser Smartcode 10 door lock. I've had two in the mail so far with uh, incorrect configuration for the interior lock mechanism. I'm just going to get straight to the point here. One of the requirement here is that when we try to uh, install this particular lock once the exterior lock is set up on the door. One of the requirement is that you need to have, and it says here on the instruction sheet, make sure the turn shift shaft is rotated as shown. So it's like a little triangle with basically a triangle here kind of configuration. What I've come across so far is that uh, this particular lock, you can see here, the triangle is actually facing downwards. You can see that here in the video. So for me to actually set up this particular knob here, this over here has to face like this, or in other words, you can see here this little D. Right now it's facing down. The flat part is facing up. We need the flat part to actually face down like this. So we can fix it. We just have to remove the 3 screws here and 4 screws on each of these corners. So I'm just going to show in the video how it can be done, and basically get this mechanism working. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure the battery pack is off, which is over there. Next thing is to remove the circuitry board. Just pull it that way. Put it on the side. Next thing is to remove the screws. Same thing applies over here. So the cover comes off like that. I'm just gonna carefully remove this. I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so I've removed the main motherboard here along with the motor mechanism, and what we have here is the actual shaft piece, just as shown. There are actually 2 parts over here attached. They are enclosed here with this little click mechanism, if you can see it here. You'll need a flat screw screwdriver to take it off. You can see it's slightly coming off. And voila, here it is. So here's the mechanism itself, and you can see here this part faces down like this. We need this part to go face basically this way, like a triangle. So I'm just going to put everything back as it was. Okay, so I've managed to put everything back together. Basically, once you tear apart, it's just the reverse way going back. What I'm going to do now is just screw this portion here, put everything back the way it was. You can see here the flat part is now facing down. So I'm just gonna get the screws. Oops. Put them back in. All right, so we have everything in order. You can see now the D does face up, so it can align with the exterior shaft. And then as per the diagram here, it does look like it is aligned properly. The next thing to do is just put back the memory chip. Like so. And so the little chip is in, and then we can just try testing it with a battery, see if it works. Good to go. And there you have it. It's a simple fix, but it does need some workaround. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.